How to assemble the Human Touch Gravis ZG Chair. After plugging in the chair, it should automatically restore to the upright position. Install the armrest. The chair arms and armrest are labeled left or right. Match the corresponding labels to install each armrest on the correct side of the chair. With the angled end of the armrest toward the back, align the armrest with the armrest tabs positioned to the rear of the corresponding tabs on the chair arm. Turn the armrest over, lowering it onto the chair arm. Then slide the armrest forward as far as it will go. Pull up and backward on each armrest to make sure it's locked into place. Repeat to install the other armrest. Install the body pad. Using the remote, recline the chair by pressing the ZG button. Lay the body pad on the top of the chair base. On the underside of the leg rest portion of the pad, remove the protective fabric from the hook and loop fasteners on both corners of the flap. Slide the flap on the underside of the leg rest portion of the pad over the chair frame, then pull the pad firmly toward the headrest as far as it will go. Press upward on both corners of the flap to secure the hook and loop fasteners on the pads to the chair frame. Flip the backrest portion of the pad forward onto the leg rest far enough to expose the canvas pocket. Thread the air hoses and cables through the hole in the chair canvas. Keeping all the cabling underneath the seat springs, connect the large air hose connector by aligning the hoses by color. Then connect the single remaining hose to its corresponding connector. Connect the two cables to their corresponding connectors by size. Make sure none of the cabling is on top of or crossing over the seat springs. Use the zipper to close the canvas pocket. Unzip the backrest panels and the inner panel, then flip them to each side out of the way. Smooth the lower body pad down over the leg rest and seat. Using the remote, raise the backrest to the upright position. Slide the top of the body pad over the headrest frame. Close the inner zipper. Then close the outer zipper. Place the head pillow into position, then thread the straps through the retaining strap on the back of the headrest.